Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a thick vertical line in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert a thick vertical line in this document. Go to the Insert menu and click Shapes drop down menu. Now we can see here many shapes. We find and select the line shape. Then draw this line shape vertically. Press Shift or keyboard to draw this shape perfectly. Now we can see here we insert a vertical line shape. Then we click the line shape and go to the Format menu. Then click Shapes Outline and choose White drop down menu and change the thickness. Now we can see here we insert a thick vertical line very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.